Hi, Ty.
Hi, Joy.
What do you think of the place?
Well, geez, this is nothing like the kennel.
You're brand new, so you had to go out there a while.
Yeah.
What are you looking at now?
I smell dogs on the chair.
Well, yeah, I'm sure the whole place smells like dogs. But...
Yeah.
Oh, well.
Fun.
We think dogs smell good here.
Yeah. There's pretty much a lot of dogs here, Joy.
Yep, there are.
Yeah. I'm looking at them right now.
Well, you'll be out to play with them soon.
There's puppies out there, Joy.
Are you happy here?
Yeah, I just would like something to eat more than I used to get.
No, you get all you want here.
Well, here, but not where I used to live, wherever that was.
Well, yeah, you weren't treated very well, were you?
No, but everything's great now.
It is. I know. Dogs are amazing. They forgive us.
I get along so well with my kennel mate, Cena.
Yeah, she's fun.
Yeah, she told me she was glad that her other partner got out into the pack.
Yeah. Okay, well, we gotta go.
Okay.